Hello and welcome to Travel Chef. Today we are going to make coconut rice. This is an easy and simple method which we are going to make for lunch. Coconut rice is a meal by itself. We can have it without any curry or an extra side dish. Whereas you can have it with pickles, especially the mango pickle or the garlic pickle, which is going to be a very good combination and is very tasty. Well, today is a very special day and I would like to wish all the mothers out there a very happy Mother's Day. So I am introducing my mother, who is the real master chef behind all our cooking and the recipes and the beautiful food that she makes, and we are thankful for her to make this channel a success. Here's my mother.
I'd like to wish all the mothers of the world a happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day. If you have any comments or suggestions, please enter it in the comment section below. But please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So now let's cut the talk and let's see how to make the coconut rice. Now come on. Making coconut rice is pretty easy and this can be done under 9 minutes. For this we need 3 cups of basmati rice. But it's not necessary to use only basmati rice, but we can use any other rice too. But since today is a special occasion of Mother's Day, we thought of using basmati rice. Also, the taste of the coconut rice would also be good using basmati rice. The next step is to soak it for 30 minutes. So soaking this for 30 minutes would help to clear the impurities of the rice. Also, this rice would be soft enough for us to cook it easily when we boil it. This ultimately saves on gas. Now we need to wash the rice for 3 times. We use clean water and we strain out all the dirt from the rice and all the little impurities that come through. Next we need to drain the water. So we place it in a perforated vessel. So simultaneously we need to keep a pressure cooker filled up with 5 cups of water. Now we need to light the stove and place the pressure cooker with the filled water onto the stove. Now we need to get the water to boil. For this we can close the pressure cooker and let it to boil. We'll see that we do not place the knob. Now once the water is boiled, we need to pour in the rice. By now all the water would have dripped out of the rice, and then now we add it into the pressure cooker. Now we cover the pressure cooker and let the rice boil for 5 minutes. Now all the water is evaporated and the rice is also ready and well cooked. Ensure that we do not stir the rice too hard, else we might risk breaking the rice. Next we place the rice into the bowl, a perforated vessel where all the water can be drained out. Next we need to keep our ingredients ready. For this we need few curry leaves, 5 tablespoons of groundnut, 2 tablespoons of roasted bengal gram, 1 onion, 4 red chilies, ginger garlic paste, mustard, onion, and 1 cup of grated coconut, and some ghee. So we use the ghee just for a little taste when we fry the ingredients. So now we have kept all the ingredients ready. The next step, we start to fry the ingredients. For this we need 1 teaspoon of ghee, which we will be placing in the kadai when it's hot. And next we pour 3 tablespoons of oil. Now we wait for the ghee and the oil to get hot. Once the oil is hot enough, now we drop in 1 teaspoon of mustard. We wait for it to splutter a bit. Then we add the red chilies. We add the 4 red chilies into that. Then we drop in the groundnut, followed by the bengal gram. And then we drop in the curry leaves. Now we start stirring all the ingredients together. Just to ensure that they are properly fried. Now the smell from the ingredients are pretty strong too. Now we need to add the chopped onions. We continuously stir all the ingredients once again. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Remember, we are cooking for 8 people, so the quantity should be taken appropriately. So you will find the ingredients that we take is a bit different from what we normally take for 2 people. Now we can add the coconut after the ingredients is a little brown in color. Now we stir all the ingredients together. Please ensure that the ingredients, once the oil evaporates, the ingredients shouldn't get caught up on the pan. So we need to keep on stirring it. Please ensure that it does not get stuck. Next we need to add the rice in small portions and then mix it along with the masala so that the rice blends with the masala. Keep stirring so all the masala gets caught onto the rice. Now we add the second batch of rice that we have cooked, and once again we begin to stir to combine all the masalas and the ingredients together. Now our coconut rice is ready and it's ready to be served. The smell and the taste also is yummy. I encourage everyone to try this dish, and also please let me know in the comments below how good did it come out based on a recipe. This will also really encourage us to try new and better recipes that would help everyone. So I request you all to like, subscribe and share our channel. This would help us all. I hope you liked our video and I request you to share it with your friends. Now, if you have any comments or suggestions, please enter them down in the comments box below. Also, your positive comments and your feedback will really help us to improve our channel. So keep watching until the next video. Take care. Bye bye.